Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to transfer money from your bank account into your mobile money wallet. From your bank account to your mobile money wallet. Have you registered the mobile banking? If you've registered the mobile banking, then it will be easier for you to transfer money or cash from your bank account into your MOMO wallet. But if you've not registered the mobile banking, then please you can't do that. So for me, I have registered the mobile banking. So with that, I can transfer cash from my MOMO wallet into the bank account, and I can also transfer from my bank account into my MOMO wallet. So now let's head onto the dialer. Let's hit on phone. Can you see that? Then hit on *170 hash. Then these are the pop-up menu. You can see option 5, which is financial services. So let's hit on option 5. Voila, so you can see financial services. One say bank services, so let's choose bank services. Bank services. So now here are transfer to bank, transfer from bank, ATM cash out, card services, and 0 for back. So we are going to hit transfer from bank, meaning from bank account into your MOMO wallet. So let's hit option 2. Voila, so here are a bunch of banks, some of the banks operating in Ghana. So you can see transfer from bank. Which of the bank are you using? The bank I am working with is Stanbic Bank. Is it part of the pop-up menu? No. So hit on hash. When you hit hash, the other ones will continue. Here is up to 9. So when you hit hash, you can see 11th continue, which is CBG, and it continues. So it's yours, part of it. Mine is at number 13, which is Stanbic Bank. So let me hit 13. Okay, so here we are. Select bank account. Here's my bank account. Let me go with option 1. Only if you've registered the mobile banking. Yours will always be at option 1. What is the amount that you want to be transferred from your bank account into your MOMO wallet without you working from home to the bank? So now how much? Let's hit 50 Ghana and see something. Then hit on send. Okay, you are about to transfer 50 Ghana from bank account, and this is the my bank number. Then enter mobile money pin. Are we ready for it? Yes. So I want to show you to prove that it works. So let's hit the mobile money pin. Okay, so a message will be sent. Let's check what the message says. Let me go back and check into my SMS box. Voila, so here is the message. Let me hit on it and see what did they say. You have received 50 Ghana cedis from Stanbic Bank, and this is the one to Stanbic has just sent. So this is the SMS from MTN, right? You have received 50 Ghana from Stanbic Bank, and this is it. This is the detail. So now let me go back and see what the bank has also sent. Now the bank says what your account, this account number has been debited with 50 Ghana cedis on. They will write the date, they said bank to wallet, yes, and the amount left in the account, then their telephone number if you need help. I think this video is educative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.